Hi, it's Sandra, and today I'm going to pick the winner for my July giveaway. So if you don't remember what I was giving away, I gave away two Maniology plates. One is M566, and this is like the fine china kind of plate, and the other one was an abstract plate, and this one is M379. So those are the two plates, and I'm going to get my random picker up here and see who won. Good luck to everyone. All right, so let's see who the winner is. Okay, and the winner of my July giveaway is Simply Kiwi. And Simply Kiwi, all you need to do is to email me at nailstampology@gmail.com and give me your address, and I will pop this in the mail probably on Monday. So congratulations to Simply Kiwi. I hope you like the plates. So thanks everybody for watching, and soon we'll be doing an August giveaway.